In a few seconds I show you how to place a custom link in your profile for anyone to access just by touching it. I'm SocialProTutorials and let's start. The first thing is to go to the profile, and when we are here we will click on Edit Profile. This option in our Instagram profile, and after that we will see the option to add link just below where it says bio. If we click we will see two options and click on Add External Link, the first option. After it will ask us for a link and a title. Here I will place Google as an example, but place your link with the name you choose. After that we give the V to verify and we can direct us to our profile. When we get to the profile we will see this link with your custom name, and clicking on it will redirect us to the link that we introduce. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give a big like. See you in future tutorials about social networks here in SocialProTutorials. Thanks for watching us.